Hello, dear traders. My name is Clara, and these are the main trading ideas for the current trading session. First of all, let's discuss the situation with the pound against the dollar. The pair is trading at 1.2950. Investors are focused on the presentation of the new Labour government's first national budget. Finance Minister Rachel Reeves began her speech by declaring that the previous Conservative government left a £22 billion black hole in the public finances and that a £40 billion tax increase was needed to close it and ensure sustainable growth. Investors reacted negatively to the government's plans, believing that business will come under pressure, which led to a weakening of the pound. Next, dollar. The dollar index is trading near 104. Investors are focusing on the October employment data from automatic data processing and preliminary statistics on the volume of gross domestic product in the third quarter. The number of people employed in the non-farm sector increased by 233,000, exceeding both the forecast of 115,000 and the previous 159,000. At the same time, the U.S. GDP grew by 2.8% against the forecast of 3%. Thus, the labor market remains strong and the GDP is stable, which does not meet the U.S. Federal Reserve's criteria for significant easing of monetary policy. Against this background, the dollar may maintain its upward momentum. And finally, dollar against Canadian currency. The pair is holding its positions at 1.3920. 2 weeks ago, the Bank of Canada, as expected, cut its key interest rate by 50 basis points to 3.75%. In the statement, it was indicated that the regulator expects inflation to remain close to target levels, which will allow it to continue the policy of consistently reducing rates. In addition to the soft monetary policy, the pressure on the Canadian dollar was exerted by a sharp decline in oil prices amid easing geopolitical tensions in the Middle East. Given that Canada is the main exporter of crude oil to the United States, lower prices on the global market negatively affect the income of Canadian exporters, which increases pressure on the national currency. Against this background, long positions on the pair remain a priority. So, these are the main trading ideas for now. Thank you for your attention, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.